Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe, I'll be making the ginger, cinnamon and lemon belly fat drink. This recipe is super effective. It has been tried and tested. I did it myself. It worked for me and I'm going to share it with you today. So for this recipe, I'll just be grating the ginger. After doing that, I'll put the ginger aside. Now I'll be cutting my lemons. I'll be cutting both lemons into two parts, then I'll juice it. Yeah, lemon is very good for burning belly fat. So is the ginger. This ingredient put together are super effective. They do wonders. And now I'm just sieving the lemon because my juicer didn't really sieve it properly, so I'm just sieving it. After sieving this lemon, I'm going to put it aside. I've gotten my lemon juice, so I'm going to put it aside. So basically, I'll just be cutting the lemon piece. Just cut it whichever way possible. And then after cutting, I'll add it to my pot. That is what I'm doing now. I'm just adding to my pot. These I'm going to be boiling with my ginger. Now that I'm adding my ginger, I'm just adding my grated ginger into the pot of lemon peas. And that is it. And now my cinnamon, I just added my cinnamon and I'm adding water. I'm adding 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. I'm going to boil this with the 4 cups of water. Now I'm just adding to the water to boil. Now after about 2 minutes, your ginger, water and lemon, cinnamon combo is boiling already, and then you just sieve it into a plate or a cup or a jug whatsoever. Just sieve it into it. Now I'm sieving my combo. I'm sieving my juice the into the plate. After sieving this, then I'll be adding my lemon. So basically, this drink is very effective. You need to try it. It's super effective. Cinnamon is super effective for losing belly fat. It works a lot. Not just for this recipe. You can use cinnamon in your everyday drinks, in anything you're eating. It will do great for you. It's really, really effective. Cinnamon burns belly fat. It does a lot. And now I just added my my lemon into the mix, and then that is it. So basically I just added a teaspoon of honey into a little cup of a half cup of the juice, and then I'm going to take that for myself. Like this you get great results. Please try to test this and use this recipe. It will work for you. It will do great for you. It will be very effective for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you next time.